10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 second shot clock. No good. Good ball. Good ball. Steal by Nali sa tres. Three. Keto Pina. 49-41. 49-43. Basket fire. Well.
Ayaw po yung score niya.
Naglalaro ka din, boss Will. Ikaw mo na. Sorry.
Kaya pa.
Rel. Patalikod pa. No good. Last 2 minutes. Sa tinsayan ng Fusion Corners. Block by Fernandez. Wow. Second team foul. Score natin. 49-43. 6-point lead by Team Papawis. Good ball. Opina naman. 3. Keto Pina. Broso. 2 points. Broso. 52-45.
Pasok, boss Will.
3. Kenneth Jose. 10-point lead. 3. Francisco. 55-48. Sabutan. 19 seconds shot. Oh, kasi labas. Labas. Kamayan. Kamayan. Sports lang. Good teamwork, bros. Good unity. Kita sa video.
Masisira yung ano.
48-55. Francisco another 3. No good. 3 more by Lopeza. Lopeza pa rin. Lopeza nag-init. 3. Mark Lopeza. 14 seconds left. No good. 7 seconds left.
Pasok, Boss B.
Pasok, boss Will.
Pasok 3.
3. Left. Basket not counted. With a score of 458.